Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at Boxycharm. Now you're probably going, Shannon, didn't you already do a Boxycharm? Yes, I did. This is actually the Boxyluxe from December. So I did sign up again for Boxyluxe in January when I signed up for the regular Boxycharm, and they sent me December's box. So guys, I did not miss out. I actually got it. So I didn't get to pick anything. I don't know anything because it came like after the fact. And I did cut the tape. See what she's looking like. There is the regular good old Boxyluxe. And we do have, looks like some bubble wrap and some paper. So I have no idea. I mean seriously, no idea. I see something big. I'm going to pull that out first. And it's heavy. I've never seen anything like this. Frank Body, Perky, Sculpting, Body Hydrator. It's got some butt cheeks. I have no idea. I am your dream cream with a double shot of coffee. Now you guys know I love my coffee. It says up here 93% naturally derived and a reusable coffee cup. So when you run out of cream, you can reuse your cup. I like that. Perky skin, but of course, get to know me, feeling flat. Yes, I have a flat butt, so that's why it's funny to me. Highly caffeinated hydrating lotion will perk you up. I'm on booty duty, but you can use me everywhere. I'll moisturize your skin for a smooth and supple look with natural ingredients like ICA, how do you say it? You know what I'm saying, and shea butter. Oh my gosh. Deeply hydrating, helps reduce the appearance of cellulite through moisture and massage. Caffeinated for perky skin. Massage in circular motions all over the body daily. Focus on areas that need extra love, ensuring to massage in long, deep strokes. Get dressed or don't. Use with the original coffee scrub for best results. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. That's hilarious. It's really like a little coffee mug. Look at that. So you can take the little stopper out, which I have right here, and I will end up losing that. And you have an actual coffee mug. It's sealed, and it has been sitting in transit, so it's kind of settled all to one side. It was actually upside down on. Oh my gosh, it smells fantastic. I'm just gonna take a little off the seal there. Trying to squish it down because it has kind of settled over to one side. I'd like for it to kind of settle down a little bit. Anyhow, I'm putting the seal back on there. That feels nice. I mean, I have felt richer, thicker feeling like body butters, but it doesn't say it's a body butter. It's a cream. Body hydrator, dream cream. So it doesn't say like body butter. Feels good, feels nice. I'll use it. And there's your butt cheeks once again up on the lid. So when you're drinking your coffee, yeah, sure. Natasha Denona, Cupid. Do I have this already? I don't think I do, because I only have like two little palettes and one full-size palette. Trying to get it open. Ooh, very pretty. Definitely my shades. Burgundies and neutrals. Very pretty. Definitely be using that. Do I have a card in here that tells me what things are? I do not. I did not get a card that tells me all of the things. Are they still even doing that? I don't know. We used to get like a card that told us what it was. What is that? I'm just all over the place. Okay, so next up I have something by Iconic. Iconic London. Multi-use sculpting palette. Original Be Iconic. I'm looking to see if it's got a shade name. I don't think so. Let's see what we got. Guys, don't forget to enter my giveaway. We're getting down to the very end. About 2 more weeks is all that's left. Beautiful packaging. Oh my gosh, how pretty. And you know, that's going to show every fingerprint in the world. Ooh, these are all creams. Oh my gosh. I don't use cream products, but I've been seeing a lot of cream products go around, and I bought these Shop Miss A makeup sticks, foundation sticks. I'll leave that video linked up above where I actually use it and you guys can see. Fantastic. They wore really well all day, and these I think would pair perfectly with that. So definitely going to be giving that a whirl. Yeah, I'm excited about that because I don't really play with cream products. Okay. So that'll be something completely new. There's more. Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask 4. Now, you guys know I have a box. I'll leave that video linked up above to my pan project, and that is maybe where the actual giveaway video is. I can't remember. I will leave it up there. But I have a box full of masks, and I'm going to try to use up a lot of those masks, and I'm actually going to put one on here in a little bit because I had a no makeup day today at work, and I just had psoriasis medicine on my face, so I'm going to cleanse my face really well and use a sheet mask, and I've already got it pulled out. Is a mango one. But looky here, more sheet mask. These are aloe infused. I'm not going to open this. Soothe and soften your skin in a flash with our Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask infused with naturally calm ingredients like aloe, chamomile, and licorice root. The sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just one use. So that will get added to my stash. Okay, I have a brush. And guys, that's the kind of brush I have been using, is an oval brush. So here's me, a backup, because what happens over time is the little nubbies that are on the end here, the little nubbies, they'll eventually start to come off, and then it hurts my head, and I will throw that brush away. So I now have a backup brush, and that's exactly what I have been using, is a round or an oval bristle brush like this. Fantastic. Okay, that'll go in my bathroom. That'll go in the trash, and there's a little bag if I want to reuse that for something. Okay, what is this? I think it's a heat protectant. Dry Bar. Protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Liquid glass miracle smoothing sealant. Lasts through 3 washes. I don't understand that. So it stays in your hair even though you've washed it 3 times? Is that what it's saying? Heat activated technology wraps an invisible shield around each. Lasts through 3 washes. Protects from heat up to 450. I'm intrigued. And it smells good. So even if you've washed your hair, it's still supposed to protect your hair from heat. Because I have been blow drying my hair and curling my hair. It just seems to do better in the wintertime if I dry it, because it's freezy from the natural curl. It just seems better if I curl it like this, even if the back is still straight. The front just looks better if I put a tad of curl in it, because otherwise it just looks frizzy as meh. Okay, two things. That's all that's left. Where's the front? Okay. Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Oh, we'll be using this. And you guys know I'm trying to pan the eye cream that I'm using. I'm almost there. So what are you? And what do you look like? Why do they have to make the writing so small? Elderberry flowers. I can't even read it. It is so small, guys. Elderberry flowers extract to brighten skin, reduce the appearance of dark circles. Okay. Glycerin. Is that what it says? To improve luminosity and evenness. Okay. and hydraulic acid to rehydrate and smooth eye area. Okay, I got it. It took me a hot second. But there we go. I feel like the Jeffree Star video. Oh, now I'm really feeling like the Jeffree Star video. What? What? Is there like a lock? I don't feel anything. Oh, I think, oh, there we go. I'm going to put it back in its box. So there's us. Ooh, that's kind of cooling too. It's nice. It's thick. It's very thick. Like it. Okay. And last but not least, Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. All right. You guys know I like some lip gloss. This was actually a really good box. To have not like picked anything. Ooh, like the packaging. Here was the outside packaging. Is there a shade? Rosy Outlook. Barely can see that. Love this packaging. The frosted, like hard plastic, rose gold. Everybody's into rose gold. That's on there. Okay, here's my thing about some of these containers, right? When you look in here, it looks full. Well, you're like, oh, dang, there's a lot of product. Once you start doing, do you see how empty that just got? Do you see how empty that just got? Weird doe foot, but okay, it like empties out to half. Does it say how much is in this? It probably does on the box, but like the applicator is so thick, the tubing that they use, it empties it out, and that's, to me, is like almost like false advertising. I do like this wild looking little doe foot. That's very thick too. And I guess it's a plumper since it says forget the filler. But just to show you guys, like if I work this around and smooth it out, that's half the tube like gone, just taking out the applicator, right? You put the applicator back in, it looks pretty full again. To me, that's just kind of like trick a bitch. I mean, sorry for my French, but that's it's not tingling or anything, so I don't know why it's called forget the filler. I'm not feeling any plumping. It says lip plumping line smoothing. Maybe I am starting to feel a little bit of something, but it's not like the lip injection, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, when a lip gloss does that, you can see like half of the tube just goes empty just by taking this out. It's kind of like, where did all the product go? Oh, there's not, because this is taking up all that space. Just saying, companies, just saying. Give us a bigger tube and put more in there. And whatever. But other than that, pretty good box. I still can't get over this guy, though. All right. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Did you get Boxyluxe in December? If you did, let me know what you got that was different. And did you like it? And was any of this interesting to you? Is there something you'd like to try out of what I showed you? Let me know down below. And be sure you enter the giveaway. Just follow the instructions in that giveaway video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.